Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, TechGetter Official. Today I'm going to show you how to make Windows 10 faster. Is your system running very slow? Do you feel a huge lag while opening files, browsers, or even while starting your PC? If yes, don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through one of the most powerful and effective ways to speed up your Windows 10 PC without using any third-party software. These are safe, easy-to-follow steps. Let's get started. Clean up junk files. Step 1. Run Disk Cleanup. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type cleangr and press Enter. Select the system drive, usually C. Wait while the system calculates junk files. Check all the boxes, especially temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, and Windows error reports. Click OK, then click Delete Files. This removes gigabytes of junk and improves overall system speed. Step 2. Delete temp files. Press Windows plus R. Type temp and press Enter. A folder will open. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete them. Click Yes. If files can't be deleted, click Skip. These temporary app files are safe to remove and help improve speed. Step 3. Delete system temp files. Press Windows plus R again. Type %temp% and press Enter. Select all files and delete using Shift plus Delete. Confirm deletion. Skip any locked files. This clears system cache and releases RAM and CPU usage. Step 4. Clear prefetch files. Press Windows plus R. Type prefetch and press Enter. Click Continue if asked for permission. Select all files and press Shift plus Delete. Confirm deletion. Prefetch files store old launch data. Removing them improves startup performance. Step 5. Clean up browser settings. If your browser is lagging or shows pop-ups, follow these steps. Part A. Remove proxy settings. Press Windows plus R, type inecpl.cpl, and press Enter. Go to the Connections tab, then click LAN Settings. Uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure Automatically Detect Settings is checked. Click OK. Part B. Reset Internet Settings. Go to the Advanced tab in the same window. Click Restore Advanced Settings, then click Reset. Check Delete Personal Settings, and confirm. This resets the browser and fixes lag caused by corrupted settings. Step 6. Disable unwanted startup programs. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable all non-essential apps by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Keep only important apps like antivirus or drivers. These apps slow down startup and use memory in the background. Bonus tip: check running apps in Task Manager. If your system is still lagging, open Task Manager and go to the Processes tab. Look for apps using high CPU or memory. Right-click and choose End Task for unused apps. This frees up system resources immediately. Final step: restart your computer. Once all steps are complete, restart your system. You'll now notice faster boot time, smoother performance, fewer freezes and lags, more free space, clean and fast browser experience. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.